it goes all the way around.
Hello again, everybody. This is the Review Man, the man with the review plans. I'm here today to review something else backed by popular demand. A lot of people were asking for more review videos, and I'm here to oblige. Today you see we have something very special. It is the new Lego The Lone Ranger sets based on the upcoming Disney movie starring Armie Hammer and Johnny Depp and a few other, choice people. This one is called Comanche Camp. It is set number 79107. I haven't opened it yet. Still quite full of Legos. Here's kind of what the set will look like. It looks like there are a bunch of scorpions and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Let's see. I think this is the side that we should open. I got my handy small kitchen knife, and I'm just going to make my primary incision. And just, there we go. That's just like you do her. Alright, what do we got? Look at it. Look in here. Move this guy out of the way and dump all this out. Oh man, would you look at that? So we'll put the box to the side for right now, and see I have my instructions here and everything's separated and got tons of good pieces and stuff. And I'm just really excited about building this. Here's a close-up of the directions, and we'll get ready to build this thing, and I will edit right now and cut to the finished product. How's that sound? And then I'll show you the final product, and I have it right here. Here you go. Here is the set completely built. It took me a few days, but I managed to do it. Up here in the boat, you see we have the two Indians, who are, I guess, the main action stars of the film. They got a little canoe, and over here you have some sort of rock formation and a little teepee, and I guess, inside the teepee they're making other little Indians. You know what Indians do, a little bit of adult humor. And you have a camel back there, and then you have the star of the show, the Lone Ranger himself. He is ready to do some shooting and galooting on his trusty unicorn. Now, in case you aren't too familiar anyway, with the legend of the Lone Ranger, let me give you a little bit of insight, because the movie has several months before it comes out, and so let me kind of give you a backstory as to what happens in the movie of the Lone Ranger. What happens is, when he comes to America, he gets off of the Marco Polo, and he sets foot on American soil for the first time and immediately starts heading west with a unicorn that he brought over from the Netherlands. Well, he runs into some Indians. That is these two right here. The one in the back with the hat on the dead bird on his hat, who is played by, what's that man's name? Johnny Depp. The one is played by Johnny Depp. And then you see the front up here with the paddle. His name is Little Paddle. Because, see, that's why they gave him the paddle, his little paddle. And you notice how he's rowing with the wrong end of it. You don't row with that end. He was quite dumb. History says that he was actually kind of a dumb guy. So, you can see that by his Lego representation here. And then this one's Johnny Depp, or Little Tonto, as they call him. Little Tonto. And I don't know what the bird's name was, but it is quite dead. I mean, this one's a plastic version, if you didn't know. So, yeah, but he is not alive. Anyway, Little Tonto and his friend Dumb Paddle find the Lone Ranger on his way by, and he says, "Hey, man, can you, free our people from this evil witch who's terrorizing our village?" And he said, "Totally, man." And so that's what they did. And he introduced them to their god. You'll see that there's a chicken man that came with it. This is their god, the great and mighty Chicken Man. And he was the one that they worshipped, as it were. And that's kind of what this whole piece right here is. What they would do is they would worship it, and they would do their little chants, oh, yeah, and dance around, and then boom, 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 boom. Oh, well, it's not working. I need to take this one back to the store. There it goes. Yep. He just comes flying right out, and he would come flying out, and they'd do their chicken chants to him, and walk around and stuff like that, and hey, Bacarena. Anyway, so that's what they would do. Well, the Lone Ranger came in and said, "Listen, you're worshiping the wrong thing. You have to worship the Pope." Because remember, he was from somewhere in England, the part of England that had a Pope, and what have you. So he knew all about that. And from there, he colonized the American way. And because of him, now we have great American standstills like gay marriage and black folk and things like that. And it's all thanks to this one man and his magical unicorn buddy, the Lone Ranger, played in a motion picture by by Armie Hammer. Also, you'll see Batman came with this set, which is just fun. Another thing we have thanks to the Lone Ranger. And this Jeep. I think after the Unicorn died, this is what he drove. I don't really know why it's in the set, but it does have this cool lifting gate. So, you know, I thought that was a nice touch. So, Vroom. Oh, I think I broke it. All right, and that is my review of the Let me grab the box here. That is my review of the Lone Ranger Lego set, Comanche Camp. Set number 79107. If you have anything you want me to review, literally anything in the entire world, just let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching Review Everything on the channel Criticize Everything, where I criticize and review things. Tell me what you want, yeah.